Welcome back, or welcome. Today I want to lift up my lawnmower, my Cub Cadet. To do that, I want to use my car, ropes and a ramp. I want to lift the lawnmower up in the front, like the ramp will be about that high, like that, and I will lift up the mower like about that height. That should give me enough space to work underneath, to have a look and check out the blades, maybe cleaning. And to do that, yeah, I will lift the lawnmower with my car. I mean, I could use a jack, but a jack is not high enough for me. The ramp, if I just put it on the ramp will be in the way. You go underneath from the sides. So, how you get underneath, really? Well, I lift it up. And he weighs about 400 kilograms. No, sorry, 200 kilograms. Not 400, 200. I mean, it's heavy, but the front, I can't lift the front because of the engine, but otherwise it's not very heavy. So if you want to do it my way, just make sure everything is safe, you use the right tools, and your workplace is safe, and you're not alone. Yeah, that's all I can say, and enjoy the video. Please like and leave a comment, or good feedback, or bad, whatever. Anyway, just watch it and enjoy it. See you later. Alright guys, let's get into it. First off, sorry, I should have turned the camera around. That's professional mistakes, they can happen. Okay, here you can see I've hooked up the ropes to the car. The ropes are connected to the front part of the lawnmower. And the front of the car doesn't have much space, so yeah, that's all I have. Okay, now slowly I will drive the car forward and the lawnmower should magically lift up. That noise because of that rope where she's connected, and just flipped around the shackle. I don't know how you call it in English. Anyway, it's working very fine, nothing happened, and yeah, that's how it looks afterwards. There's plenty of space when I go from the side. Definitely enough space to work. I won't leave it like that. I will remove now the ramp, and that is how it looks without a ramp. I won't go underneath like that. Even the ropes are 100% hold the weight, but I will build a construction in the front like this. It's just a start, and this is a full construction, so it can't go sideways, front ways or backwards, because I have a piece of wood behind the back wheels and the brakes are on. Okay, let's go and have a look underneath how it's looking. It's definitely secure. Everything is fine. No worries. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, I thought it would look worse. I hope you guys can see. There's not really anything. Nothing. A little bit of here. But otherwise, there's no dirt at all. Yeah, the blades definitely need to repair here and there. They're broken off on the ends. With here. They should be higher up here. Well, they're broken. Otherwise, they look alright. There ain't any problems. Not at all. No, I don't have to do anything underneath. Nothing. Not even a drop of water. Well, that's alright. All the work for nothing, really. The blades, they can be changed, but they're still alright. I still cut the lawn. Lovely. Alright, that's about that. Oh. Yeah, that was good. There's nothing else to do, really. Now I can let the thing down again, pack everything away, and wait for my new blades to arrive, and then lift it up again. Let's see how we do that.